Wow, guys, the month of March has been an amazing month. It's been 3 years, 5 months trading, and this month, being the fifth month, has been the breakthrough. It's been an amazing journey, and I'm super, super excited. It leads me into wanting to tell you guys about something very, very interesting. In today's video, I want to bring to your notice you building the skill set on how to use money as you master the skill set of trading. Guys, please do stick and stay. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Holy Trade as always. And guys, I thought I knew what I needed money for. I thought I knew how to use money properly. It's been crazy guys, and I won't actually deny this fact. Now guys, this year being 2026, I said I will be making videos that will show myself being a little bit vulnerable and also sharing with you personal experiences guys. So as I said, it's been 3 years 5 months trading the financial market. It's been an amazing journey. In as much as I have been a profitable trader, during some of the years that has gone by, guys, this month in 2026 has been the month that has brought me the most money I've ever made. So I call it the breakthrough month guys. This much guys, this month has just been crazy, 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 crazy. And guys, I want to share with you some experience. Okay, so guys, from February ending into March, that is when I had the last puzzle to my strategy. And guys, it has been an amazing experience. Okay, that is why we say don't give up on trading. Just show up each and every single day. Something adds up, something adds up. Okay, so I actually had my between the ending of February and the beginning of March. And guys, when I started using this in the month of March, it's been an amazing experience. Guys, I am seeing results I have never seen before. I'm seeing money in my personal account that I have never seen before. And guys, it's a new season. I won't lie about this. It's a new season. I've entered into a new season. And guys, one of the experience I want to share with you is that I started buying stuffs. I was just spending out of excitement. Guys, in as much as it's a new season, it's like I have never seen what I was seeing. Okay. There were even times I'll be floating, X amount of money, and I will even have to cut it short because I was just content with what I was seeing. I didn't let the setup play out in full because I was just, content with what I was seeing because I've never seen that before. And guys, when I got the money, it was like all of a sudden I wanted to go to the gym, register for the gym. I wanted to go do a full body check. I wanted to do everything. I was buying stuff, I was buying shoes, I was buying clothes, I was buying this, I was buying food. Guys, it was crazy. And I realized I was actually purchasing stuff out of excitement. Honestly, for me, I believe it was the Holy Spirit. I was prompted. Are you proud of the way you are using money? So that's how it came to me. So I had to sit down, and that was when I started reflecting. And that is the main reason why I am recording this video. I just want to bring to your notice, guys, the skill set of making money and the skill set of trading are two different things. How you're using the funds, guys, it is so much important. So I was asking myself, Holy Trades, are you actually happy with the way you're using the money you're making? Do you think God is proud of you, of what you're doing? He's giving you this special thing, and is this how you're going to be using it? So guys, I was actually asking myself a lot of questions. I was reflecting on myself, and that was when I realized I don't know how to use money. Guys, I'm just being honest, and this is the real me right before your eyes. I don't know how to use money. So I started actually searching on how to use money. I was trying to find books on money, and I came across, the psychology of money. Even with that, when I read the table of contents, I realized it wasn't really what I wanted. It wasn't what I was really looking for, right? But at least we can start from somewhere. So I am ignorant on that side. I won't lie. I thought I knew how to use money. Guys, don't get it wrong. I know when I make this money, right? I need to save, I need to pay my tithe, I need to invest back into myself and all of that, managing the funds and all of that. But the use of it, right? I know you want that car. I know you want that beautiful house. You want, the latest iPhone. You want good clothes. Like you want to look good and all of that. But how do you even use the money you have to even get these things? Are you getting them out of excitement or simply because you can afford? You see, it's a new season. These were things I was not doing. Immediately the money started coming in, guys, it was like I didn't know how to control. I'm being honest. So I'm just doing stuff out of excitement. Mommy wants something, I'm getting it. My elder sister wants something, I'm getting it. We go out, I'm buying this. I'm trying to make sure everybody is good, right? I'm trying to buy this, I'm trying to get this. I'm even becoming more generous. Like someone needs something and I'm buying it. And I'm like, is this how you're going to be using the money? Right? Because see, money comes and goes. Money comes and goes. And what you don't have knowledge of, guys, it is most likely you're going to mess up. And I am grateful, guys, that I was prompted by the Holy Spirit. Okay, are you proud of the way you're using the money? So, guys, maybe you will not be that lucky. So, I just want you to make sure, as you are mastering the skill set of trading, make sure you are also reading books, invest in books on how to use money. Identify the real need for the money that you are making. Don't assume you know what you want to use the money for. Guys, I'm telling you, the moment you enter into that new season, it's going to be like you're drowning. It's like you're holding a bucket and a large or a big tap of water has just been poured on you, and the bucket you're holding just can't contain the water that is flowing, right? So you're going to find yourself like struggling. Trust me, you may think you know what you need the money for. I'm telling you, guys, I'm telling you, the moment you actually break through into a new season. So let's say you're making $100. Now you're seeing $1,000, $2,000. Guys, I'm telling you something. If you don't take care, you will fumble. You will actually see it and be scared about what is happening. When I say being scared, I'm not trying to say, okay, scared as in being afraid of the money and all of that. No, but you're going to actually be scared of who you are becoming, because you realize what you are doing is not going to keep the money. You are only wasting it. See, it made me understand why some athletes, guys, some footballers, basketball players go broke after their career, right? Because, guys, you see, Monday to Friday, you will see, let's say, X amount of money. Okay, the next Monday to Friday, you think, okay, the same amount is coming, so I mean, I can blow it all up. Guys, if you do not sit down to actually identify your real need, if you do not sit down and learn how to build a skill set on how to use money properly, I'm telling you, when you enter into that season, you are just going to be confused. You are just going to do anything anyhow. And I'm telling you guys, it is not going to help you. There was a video I was watching of Kojo Forex, and he said something. Most traders don't have real need for money. We are just excited about seeing, X amount of money floating. So we are seeing the blues on our MT5, and we are just excited about that. But we do not have real need for money. And most traders end up giving everything back to the financial market. Guys, sit down, invest in books. Don't just be mastering the skill set of trading and leaving the skill set on how to maintain the money, manage the money, how to use the money the right way. I'm telling you guys, when you break through into that season, listen, eventually trading will work. If you are diligent and you're showing up every single day and you're not giving up, guys, and you don't give up, eventually trading is going to work. And when you break through into that new season, I'm telling you guys, you will think you knew how to use money. You will think you had a real need for money. But trust me, you don't. You don't. Whatever you have actually not sat down to learn about, guys, you are just going to exhibit your ignorance, or you're just going to go through it with the current information you have, and that might not be useful in the new season you find yourself. So guys, I'm just here to tell you, see, be aware of yourself and understand. Don't wait till you get consistently profitable before you learn on how to use money the right way. It goes hand in hand. As you are mastering the skill set of trading, make sure, guys, just make sure you are building the skill set on how to use money the right way. Guys, this has been my experience, and I've actually identified I don't know how to use money. So I'm going back to read, I'm going back to invest in books on how to use money, to understand the laws of money, to understand, the psychology of money, to understand what it means to be making money, and how to properly, guys, how to properly use money. I'm telling you, you may think, guys, you may think you have a real need for money. Wait until that abundance starts coming in and you just realize you are doing anything anyhow. Please invest in books. Read. Guys, read. I beg you, read. I'm just here to bring to your notice. Read, read, guys. And it's really going to go a long way to help you. Now, guys, before I leave, the last thing I want to say is don't give up on trading. Eventually, it works. Eventually, it works. I'm just blown away with the results I'm seeing, with the things I'm doing. And guys, listen, it can only get better from here, right? It can only get better from here. I gave myself 5 years on trading, 5 years on trading. But guys, it's been 3 years, 5 months, and I've had my breakthrough. It's been an amazing journey, and it can only get better. So lock in. 2026, this should actually be a sign for you to lock in. Yes, I'm also a Ghana boy. Guys, trading is not a scam. It works. It works. Lock in, guys, and build a real skill set of trading. Learn how to properly trade the financial market. Don't just be moved by the flashy lifestyle. Guys, it takes some time. Okay, I pray this video goes a long way to help someone out there. Guys, I am so happy I was able to record this video for someone. Listen, invest in books on how to properly use money. Guys, this is the end of the video, and I pray this video goes a long way to help someone out there. I pray God brings unto you light, understanding, so you have peace even in chaos. When they say there's a casting down, we will say there's a lifting up, because we trust in the name of the Lord. My guys, always remember to trade the holy way. See you guys in the next video.